just take a 10,000 feet overview of what is cybersecurity framework is. So essentially, it is a set of standards and methodology for aligning your policies, businesses, and technology to make sure that your organization addresses all the cybersecurity risks. And then also what it does is it provides you a more organized way of prioritizing, understanding your risk, and then being able to report it to your management and the stakeholders. And the third thing is also the cybersecurity framework helps you to understand the areas where you need to really work on based on some of the existing security vulnerabilities and security best practices used by rest of the industry. And also, like it helps you to kind of maintain a standard for your organization in terms of your cybersecurity. And it is purely a voluntary international standard, and it's not only popular in the US, it's very popular in the other countries across the globe as well.
For more information, click on the link below or visit databrackets.com.